Hello and happy Tuesday. Hopefully everybody's having a pretty good day today. Here's kind of a easy tip for riders that are street and even off-road. It helps a lot in how you can save your clutch. I don't know, a lot of people, some people know about it, some people don't, and a lot of people think that you can't do it. I know there's a ton of experts out there that will probably tell me that I'm crazy or anything like that, but in all reality, a lot of your racers and stuff like that, they don't use this clutch lever a whole lot when they're riding. They actually shift their gears, not first gear because it's down, but every gear going up without pulling in that clutch. What they do is they use the actual, it's kind of like back in the day with your smaller displacement motorcycles that don't have a clutch. When you're throttling, you basically blip the throttle whenever you're in between shifting gears. And believe it or not, with a little bit of practice and work, you can actually perfect that very, very well. And not only that, you can save your clutch and your gearbox by doing that. And actually, believe it or not, I've been doing it for a little while. I mean, I just started doing that, and I tell you what, it really works pretty well. And it makes shifting really, really smooth, and it allows you to get through those gears really nice and easy. So, you know, look into it. Don't just take my word for it, but that's a pretty easy tip to save your clutch and your gearbox from having to replace it because you're squeezing in that clutch all the time. Because a lot of times when you're feathering that clutch, riding off-road and stuff like that, you're just slowly burning it out. But anyway, give that a try. Try maybe shifting gears by, don't force it, but try shifting gears without pulling in that clutch, just blipping the throttle in between the shifts whenever you're up in the higher revs. Anyway, that's your tip. Try shifting gears without the clutch. Over time, you can be really, really good at it, and a lot of racers use it. That's your tip. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you next Tuesday.